police is coming. To be 17 again. We will be taking off in T-minus 10. Damn. Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Not a problem, guys. I don't want to see you guys get killed. Okay. All right, guys.
Appreciate it.
You're welcome. Tell your buddy.
Well, that officer ended up being very cool with us. I don't know how fast I was going when I spotted the officer, but I was pretty close that I was at like 150. We'll confirm it a little bit later, but at this point, and I'm feeling real lucky right now. That could have been a totally different outcome. The officer seemed to be very courteous and respectful and calm when she was communicating with us. She seemed sincere and genuine on wanting to keep us safe, protecting and serving. That's a very interesting interaction that we just witnessed. Wow. She could have absolutely wrote us tickets. There were two of the bikes that just kept riding, and personally, my first instinct when I saw the cop at the speed I was going was to just continue forward and leave the group and meet up later, because I felt like I had a chance to get away, because I saw that the officer was just pulling a U-turn. But the groups just started slowing down together. The ZX14 and the Hayabusa said, fuck it, I am not trying to communicate with this officer. And that's a pretty common response. And so we're gonna head back to the house and talk about this.